CapCut empowers you to transform ordinary photos into artistic masterpieces. From basic edits to stunning effects, everything is at your fingertips. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to achieve that step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great tips. Create a new project and add content. Open CapCut and start a new project. Add photo or video files to the timeline by clicking the Add button. Use the AI Expand feature. Select a photo and click Edit. Go to the Resize section and choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. Click Create to let AI expand the missing areas in the photo. AI will provide 4 options. Pick your favorite and click Apply. Then confirm your choice. AI Remove feature. Select the AI Remove tool and use the brush to highlight the area you want to remove. Click Erase and let the AI process the area. Check the results once completed. AI Enhance feature. Access the AI Enhance tool and choose HD to upgrade your photo's quality. For even higher quality, select Ultra HD. AI Replace feature. Use the brush tool to mark the area you want to replace. Enter a prompt describing the content you want to add. Click Replace and select one of the 4 AI-generated suggestions. With CapCut's powerful AI features like AI Expand, AI Remove, AI Replace, and AI Enhance, you can easily elevate your image's quality and create stunning effects. Experiment with these tools and discover more exciting capabilities in CapCut. Now you know how to harness the power of AI in CapCut to create eye-catching photos. Try it out and share your results in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next tips. See you in the next video.